Okay, these are the puppies that are now available. Let's see if I can catch them. The little red one, that's Wesson. Hi, Wesson. Wesson's a very lively little boy. He's very adventurous. He was the first one out of the box to go on a big adventure. And this is Winchester. Winchester's a sweet boy. He's the smallest one in the litter, but he's also very sweet and friendly. Hey, Win. Hey, Winchester. And this is Remington. Remington is a dark sable. We're not real sure what color he's going to end up. He's, see if I can get it. He's kind of coming out red at the roots, so we're not real sure. As you can tell, all the puppies are very friendly. And this is Billy. Hey, Billy. She's a little black and white girl. She's the only girl left. Hi there, Billy. And we called her Polka Dot when she was born because when she came out, she just had little polka dots, black polka dots on her head. Hey, pup-pups. There's Wesson with the red one with the white face. And there's Billy playing with the toy. Oh, and there comes Winchester. Hey, sweet pig. Oh, you gonna bark at the camera. Hey. Remy. Hi, Remy. Hey.
Hey, Billy.
Okay.
Billy.
Hi, Billy. And they like to play fight just like siblings. But your kid's kind of rough now. There you go. There we go. Huh? Hi, Wesson. Hey.